All right, well, this mini lecture series is going to talk about when monetary policy can fail, and we'll look at the move to monetarism in kind of response to activist monetary policy, not being able to manipulate the economy as easily as perhaps some think. So this lecture series assumes some knowledge of fiscal policy and the problems with fiscal policy that can come with it, and then also with kind of activist countercyclical monetary policy. If you have that stuff down, we can move right ahead and start to see what are some of the criticisms of monetary policy, and in particular, how activist monetary policy kind of started to boom in the 50s, late 40s, 50s, 60s within the United States, and how we have this kind of criticism and pullback against some of that activist monetary policy. So if you have this background information, go ahead and click on the link here to move on to the next part of the lecture series.